Hey, thank you for joining us. Welcome to Cryptic Finance. Today we're talking about something that's been on my mind for a while now. Artificial intelligence. You know, AI is one of those topics that can sound a bit dry and complicated, but trust me, it's not. It's something that's going to change the way we live and work, and it's happening right now. Let me ask you a question. Have you ever wondered how Netflix can suggest TV shows and movies you'll love? Or how Google can translate text in real time? That's all thanks to AI. It's not just about the big tech companies either. AI is being implemented in all sorts of industries, from healthcare to finance and even agriculture. But here's the thing. AI isn't just about making things more efficient, it's about making things better. It's about giving doctors access to more information so they can make better diagnoses. It's about making financial transactions faster and more secure. And you know me, I'm always looking for the good in technology, so I wanted to dive deep into this topic and show you how AI is making the world a better place. So join me as we explore the exciting developments in AI and discover how it's shaping our world. So hit the subscribe button, turn on those notifications, and let's dive into the world of AI together. We've got a lot of exciting things in store for subscribers. Hey, you didn't click the button. There you go. Thank me later. Concerns we have with AI. As many of you know, AI is becoming an increasingly important part of our daily lives. From Siri and Alexa to self-driving cars and medical diagnoses, we're seeing AI being used in all sorts of ways. But as we rely more and more on these technologies, we're also starting to see some serious problems. One of the biggest concerns is the issue of bias. Because AI is only as good as the data it's trained on, it can inadvertently perpetuate and even amplify biases that are already present in the data. This can lead to unfair outcomes for certain groups of people and is a serious problem that needs to be addressed. Bias in AI occurs when the algorithms used to train the system perpetuate or amplify stereotypes that already exist in society. One example of this is a job recruiting algorithm that was found to be biased against women. The system had been trained on resumes submitted to the company over the past decade, and most of those resumes were from men. As a result, the algorithm was less likely to recommend women for the jobs, even if they were as qualified as the men. Another example of bias in AI is facial recognition technology. Studies have shown that this technology is less accurate when identifying people with darker skin tones. This is because the algorithms used to train the system were based on a data set that primarily consisted of images of people with lighter skin tones. These examples show that bias in AI is a real problem that needs to be addressed. It can have serious consequences and can lead to unfair outcomes for certain groups of people. Another concern is the issue of transparency. As AI becomes more advanced, it becomes harder and harder to understand how these systems make their decisions. This lack of transparency can make it difficult to trust the decisions that AI is making and can also make it hard to hold these systems accountable when things go wrong. Transparency in AI refers to the ability to understand how a system makes its decisions. One example of lack of transparency in AI is the use of deep learning algorithms, which work by analyzing large amounts of data and finding patterns. While these algorithms can be highly effective, they can also be difficult to understand, making it hard to know how they arrived at a particular decision. Another example of lack of transparency in AI is the use of black box systems, which are systems that are so complex that it's difficult or impossible to understand how they work. These systems can be used for things like credit scoring or medical diagnoses, but because it's hard to understand how they work, it's difficult to know if they're making fair and accurate decisions. These examples show that lack of transparency in AI is a real problem that needs to be addressed. It can make it difficult to trust decisions that AI is making, and it can also make it hard to hold these systems accountable when things go wrong. Finally, there's the issue of job displacement. As AI becomes more advanced, it's likely that it will replace many jobs that are currently done by humans. This could lead to widespread unemployment and a major shift in the way we work. It's a reality that's already happening. Companies are replacing human workers with machines and software that can do the same job more efficiently and at a lower cost. This is a major problem that's going to affect a lot of people. It's not just blue-collar jobs that are at risk, but white-collar jobs as well. And it's not just low-skilled jobs that are at risk, but highly skilled jobs as well. Solutions and how humans can use AI to make our world a better place. One solution is to invest in education and training so that people are equipped to adapt to the new jobs that will be created by AI. As AI continues to advance, it's becoming clear that many jobs that currently exist will become automated. But this doesn't have to be a negative thing. With the right investments in education and training, we can equip people with the skills they need to adapt to the new jobs that will be created by AI. Think about it. AI is going to create new jobs that we can't even imagine yet. Jobs like AI engineers, data scientists, and digital ethicists are examples of jobs that we are starting to see. But to fill these jobs, we need people who have the right skills and knowledge. That's where the education and training come in. Investing in education and training doesn't mean going back to school or getting a degree. It means providing opportunities for people of all ages and backgrounds to learn new skills, whether it's through online courses, apprenticeships, or on-the-job training. Another solution is to use AI for the betterment of our society. AI can be used to tackle some of the world's most pressing problems like poverty, hunger, and climate change. By using AI to analyze large amounts of data, we can gain new insights and make better decisions that can help to improve the lives of millions of people. One example of this is the use of AI in healthcare. AI can help doctors and researchers analyze large amounts of data to find new treatments and cures for diseases. It can also help doctors make more accurate diagnoses, which can save lives. Another example is the use of AI in agriculture. It can help farmers make more efficient use of resources such as water and fertilizer, which can help improve crop yields and reduce the environmental impact of farming. AI can also help to improve the lives of people living in poverty. By using AI to analyze data about people's needs and resources, aid organizations can more effectively target their efforts to help people in need. One last example is to use AI to improve customer service. We all know how frustrating it can be to call a customer service hotline and be stuck on hold for what feels like forever, or to navigate through a complex phone menu just to speak to a human. But with the help of AI, that's all changing. AI-powered chatbots and virtual assistants are becoming more common in customer service, and for good reason. They can understand natural language, answer common questions, and even troubleshoot problems 24/7. It's not just about reducing wait times, but also about providing personalized and efficient service. AI can analyze customer data, purchase history, and previous interactions to understand their needs and preferences and provide personalized recommendations and offers. AI can also improve the overall customer experience by providing a more seamless and convenient service. For example, using AI-powered voice assistants, customers can easily make reservations, track their orders, or pay bills without ever having to pick up the phone or visit a website. Thanks for watching the video. I hope you enjoyed it. We've talked about the problems and solutions with artificial intelligence and what it may be capable of in the future. As we've seen, AI has the potential to revolutionize the way we live and work, but it also poses some challenges, including job displacement and privacy concerns. It's important for us to be aware of these challenges and take action to mitigate their negative impacts on people's lives. But at the same time, we should also be excited about the new possibilities that AI offers and embrace the amazing new technology. From solving some of the biggest problems facing our society to improving the customer service experience, AI has the potential to make the world a better place for everyone. It's important to remember that AI is not a problem in itself, but rather a tool that we can use to solve problems. And as with any tool, it's up to us to decide how we want to use it. So let's continue the conversation about AI. Comment below and leave your thoughts. I'd love to hear your opinion and how we can use it for the betterment of our society. Thanks again for watching. I hope you found this video helpful. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Till next time, never give up and stay grinding on your journey to financial freedom. Cheers!